Hey, what's up guys? So I'm going to show you what is Airbnb so that you can be able to learn some one or two things about your traveling. So if you like traveling, you're actually in a good place, because I'm going to show you what is Airbnb and what you can actually be able to learn on it, right? So in order for you to be able to book okay, let me at least try to explain what is Airbnb first, so that you can actually understand if you don't know. So Airbnb it's really a great website, so you can click here to actually see where you actually want to go, check-in dates, check-out dates, and add the guests and how many guests you actually want to, because Airbnb is actually where you actually place a place where you're going to stay on. It's like a hotel, just probably just your own space. Anyone can get on Airbnb. Anyone can actually start having an Airbnb as a business. You can actually rent out your own place and make some money on the process. So Airbnb is actually a very, very great place to start making money online, with COVID and all this stuff. So people, they don't want to be in congested places. They just want to have their own space. They just want to stay where they know they're gonna be safe. So Airbnb is the best. It's the best place to start traveling again. Where you can be able to just be your own person. Just stay where you want, because Airbnb is listed over 100 countries. It's worldwide. So you're probably asking yourself, what is this Airbnb thing? How do you actually place a place where you're going to stay on? So I'm going to show you where you're going to do that and how you can be able to do all of that. So let's see. You explore some near destinations. So you want to see where you can actually book on the dates. Okay, so let's just click on the 23rd here, check in, and then the checkout dates. The checkout date will be maybe the 24th, right? And then how many guests are going to be, age 13 and above. Yeah, okay, let's say 1, let's say 2, no children, no infants, no pets. Then let's just search. Alright. So it actually comes into certain, because I'm in South Africa, and then it shows me the prices right here. There's about 320 per night in Centurion there. There's about 697, 480. There's a lot. There's a lot where you can just place your order and just stay. And the most important part about all this, if you click on the description below on this video, you will definitely have a discount, a discount of up to about 1,000 rand for your first day. So I'm saying try it and then see what you're gonna get out. It's a very, very nice thing. If Airbnb is, you might be asking yourself why they actually want to do something like that. They're not going to lose some money on doing this. No, they just want you to get familiar with their services. They don't care about their first money they're gonna lose, because they know you probably, once you go, you're going to go and again and again and again. So you probably can get your first day for free. Probably at least up to 1,000 rand. It depends on where you're going to book your stay. So it's probably much easier, so you're just going to come here and check which places you would like. You see, they're all under 500. These places, they're all Randburg, Pretoria, Sandton. Okay, so let's check out Cape Town now. Let's check out Cape Town. Okay. Let's check out Cape Town and so okay. So in here you can just filter it with what you want. If there is a boutique, hotel, apartment, house, bed and breakfast, unique stay, all these, you can just come here and filter it, and the languages they speak, and so that you can be comfortable, man. All this is all about your stay and getting to know the country and getting to get the best experience you can find. So those are one of the best things you can do here. You can even put it by price, type of place, entire place, private room, hotel room, share room, so it's a very, very, very nice things to do. Okay, I don't have to go into the one for Cape Town or whatever, because it's the same thing, so I'm just going to come check here, because this is an entire apartment. It's been listed for $499 up at night. So, and you can just look on this one, 418. Okay, let's just check this one out. How is it like? So we can see if we have a great place where we can spend our 500 rand, man. Because Airbnb is one of the coolest things you can have. Once to go to a hotel, to go into some check-ins and doing all that, just going to stay into a smaller room, and just with a lot of other people around you. But on this one, you come in on your own home. You can get your host is gonna tell you what to do. They're gonna give you a key, maybe just say come in at this time and this what. So let's look at this one, so we can see how does it work. So just 360 per night, man. Let's look at this. So you won't be charged until the host accept your reservation. So there are some stuff you must check out, on this thing. Stuff like cancellation policies and clean and tidy, self check-in, entire home. See, this are the stuff you must check in. So the directions and all that stuff, you can even contact the host here. Sleep arrangement, bedroom, floor, which I mean, this is actually really nice that they included that here, because it's not like all the time you have to go with your partner. I mean, even if you don't have a partner, you don't have to, you know, you can go with your friend and enjoy your stay together. And so you can see the pictures, you see the bathrooms there is very nice. You can see the bed is very nice. So, and then you can start your reservations here. So you can click here. And then, so this is what you have to fill up. All of this, you can fill it up and fill it up. But you get a notification when the host is actually gonna give you the go ahead that you can pay, you know, so you don't have to start all that, you know. So this is all that it is, man. You just come into Airbnb. It's airbnb.com. You go straight into, and then you just follow it, man, and then you will see. Or you can just go onto my YouTube channel. Since you're already here, go straight to the description box. You just click there, and then it's just how it is, man. And then you get what you want. You see, have your gym, Wi-Fi, free parking on premises. You know, this host, man, has it all. You know, they have it all right here. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel so that you can see more of these videos the next time. So I will see you, man, on the next one. Ciao.